In order for your photographs to look more professional or just better, you kind of have to break your images down into two parts, the technical aspect and then also the subjective aspect, kind of the storytelling of your image. And so for technical aspects, it's really kind of easy to learn photography. It's very physics-based, which sounds like a scary word, but you are dealing with light and time. And so if you can learn as much as you can by trial and error, by just shooting all the time and shooting things that interest you, then you're gonna find that the technical aspects are pretty obvious to correct. Because ultimately it matters. You don't want your images to be overexposed or composed improperly from a technical standpoint, and you don't want them to be out of focus. These are all things that are technical and you have to think about every time you take a photo. But once you do it enough, it all becomes second nature and it's very easy. And then that allows you to focus on the storytelling of an image or something a little bit more interesting. That's where you bring in the art of photography, and that's where most of the fun is. And that's where you get to insert yourself and what you like and what your interests are. And you kind of show that all through your photography. So for me, I'm interested in landscape and athleticism-based portraiture, I guess, is the best way to sum it up. I like seeing what the person is doing in the environment in which they're in.